guys! So welcome ulit sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng Kikiam. And here are the following ingredients. Dito sa large bowl, nandito na yung 1 kilogram ng minced pork. I-add na natin yung 1 cup ng finely chopped carrots, yung 1 cup ng finely chopped Singkamas or Parsnips, yung 1 large onion finely chopped, half a cup ng finely chopped shrimps, half a cup ng all-purpose flour, half a cup ng finely chopped spring onion, 3 tablespoons ng brown sugar, 2 tablespoons ng minced garlic, yung ating 1 tablespoon ng cornstarch, yung 3 teaspoon ng Chinese 5 spice, yung pepper to taste, at yung ating salt to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. Ilalagay ko na rin yung 2 tablespoon ng oyster sauce. And lastly, yung 6 tablespoon ng soy sauce. Hahaluin natin to hanggang maging well incorporated ang ating ingredients. Once na mahalo natin ito, we will set this aside for 30 minutes para lang mag-infuse yung flavors ng ating meat. Itong ating bean curd sheets, i-cut nyo lang according sa size na gusto nyong gawin. Gumawa ako ng paste using a cornstarch at water. Minicrowave ko lang for 30 seconds para makagawa ng paste. Dito sa ating bean curd, magbabrush lang tayo ng water. Kung yung bean curd nyo is too dry, pwede nyong i-soak sa water for a few seconds. And ready na yung ating bean curd. Mag-scoop tayo ng about 3 tablespoons ng ating meat mixture. Depende sa size na gusto nyong gawin. And iayusin lang natin to para mag-pack. And then, ifo-fold natin ito at i-roll na parang magbabalot lang ng lumpia. Make sure na you roll it tightly. Then, magbabrush na tayo ng ginawa nating paste dito sa dulo. Continue natin ang pag-roll hanggang mag-seal yung ating kikiam. Continue natin the rest ng ating kikiam. Transfer ko lang itong ating kikiam dito sa ating steamer pot na mayroong parchment paper. Tatakpan natin to with the towel at i-steam natin for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, luto na yung ating kikiam. I-transfer lang natin to sa isang plate. Ang ating next step, mag-preheat lang tayo ng oil at ipiprito na natin yung kikiam hanggang maging golden brown. After a few minutes, babalik na rin naman natin. At continue lang natin ang pagluto dito naman sa kabilang side. Luto na yung ating kikiam. Transfer naman natin dito sa plate lined with paper towel para lang ma-absorb yung excess oil. Ika-cut natin yung naluto nating kikiam diagonally. And there you have it, our special kikiam, best served with sweet chili sauce. Sana magustuhan niyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ako po si Aling Oday. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.